Hello everyone, good morning. I'm kumudukitchen.com. So I want to make today very easy and very healthy breakfast. So just we need 5 ingredients. The two toast, salt and pepper, and eggs and avocado, and olive oil. So just start it. You have to add a little bit of olive oil in the top the toast. It's very easy and very yummy and very healthy. All right. A little bit salt in the top, a little bit pepper, and then again add a little bit olive oil in the top. That's it. Look at that. Wow. And you can add a little bit in the fruits in the side. Watermelon, pineapple, and it's a blueberry. That's it.